Dear God, someone patch up the roads here. There are so many tire tracks here, it's unreal. Oh, I'm live. Well, let's get on with the show. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina State Highway Patrol. There have been multiple reports of a sentient, maniac, lump of clay driving multiple sports cars and race cars all across the state. How are we going through this again when all it would take is a nice pit maneuver, which in turn will cause quite the spectacle? The only way to tell where it is at this time is to just check your mirrors. At least I hope you know how to. How are many of you people incapable of driving? At least the uncooked pottery driving around like a maniac looks both ways. You really want a trip to the hospital and probably get yourself backhanded if doctors were allowed to. Maybe a nice rifle shot will work. It works on birds. Collateral damage is nothing. I will let you all know how it goes.